Flash me!
You said you want a recipe for what? Like what kind of thing?
Psionic guidance. My reloading speed is a...
Drones, heal
You know how to
them.
make a BLT? You could, I mean, if you want, you can put like syrup and you
This
could put
place
like
is
maple
eerie.
syrup and black pepper on
Feel
your
the
bacon
gravity of fate.
when you cook your bacon. Like after you're done cooking it, you can put maple syrup and black and pepper on your bacon. It's better with the ground pepper, like the one that you have to actually like grind up, like the cracked pepper. But
Supply ship en route.
yeah,
Not bad
you
for
can
a
use
bunch
syrup,
of failures.
Zone will return in
With target hit.
syrup
The
and
chariot
black ground
drives
pepper
me
on
forward.
your bacon,
Reloading.
and then you can like put it back in like the oven or whatever you
Restoring
cook your
shields.
bacon in, and then after you can put all that on the sandwich, and it's really good.
Start delivering airdrops.
Would you?
Airdrop arrived.
I mean, I don't eat pork anymore, but when I did, that shit was fire. I'm not gonna lie to you. Cause I like simple stuff.
Pork goes hard.
I'm like, okay, I'm not like when I was in culinary
There's a gross
school,
XP here.
I was the type of chef to like, I like simple stuff, but I like every piece of my meal to be like
Feel
at the
gravity
most
of
pristine
fate.
level.
Direct hit. I'm hit.
Like I'm not like the type of person that have like a
Psionic guidance.
like a meal with 50 moving parts in it.
Victory.
I'm the type of person to have like maybe 6 moving parts, but all 6 are like the top, the most like the best level it can be. Or like if you want to make some chicken tenders, because they're very easy to make.
Quality or quantity?
As fate would
You can
have it,
marinate
this
the
stuff is
chicken
all
tenders.
ours now.
I don't know how your house works, but are you able to like put raw meat in the refrigerator for like maybe 3 hours? Okay. Well, like in a bowl or something, like covered up.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean it's raw, so like I don't know like. I mean, I don't think they want to stick their hand in what I'm about to tell you to make, so. But if you get like a seasoning packet of like a ranch seasoning packet, and you have like chicken tenders or even like chicken wings or like some type of chicken, basically just chicken that you can fry. You marinate the chicken for like, I would say like 4 hours max. So I would say this is something you do when you wake up and you're like, I'm not hungry right now, but I will be hungry in a little bit. So this is something you just get prepared. So when you go do the other things, your chicken's already good. You know, season it with the ranch packet. Make sure it's, you know, in there, and you let it sit. And then like while you're getting your oil, you can use vegetable oil. While you're getting your oil like heated up to fry your chicken, I don't know if you have like the deep fryer thing in your house. Can you use the stove? Okay. Well, I would say put it in like a pot. Put like the oil in a pot. Don't put too much oil in the pot. But I don't know how big of a pot you're gonna use. But if you're using a small one, maybe half the pot. And if it's half the pot regardless of oil. Or maybe a little less than half. But you'll have your oil. You'll warm it up. You'll, get it to where it's hot. And you would get if you have chicken fry, like seasoning, chicken fry, like, let's see, chicken fry for like when you're frying chicken, if your mom has it, there's a brand called House of Troy. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's the one I use. House of Troy, AUTRY. That's the brand I use. You would use that. Oh, if you want your chicken to be like, honestly, it's better. Okay, I'm sorry. When you're marinating your chicken, you want to use the range packet, and you can, if you're making like chicken tenders, you want to marinate them in buttermilk as well. You want to use buttermilk and the chicken tender and the ranch packet. It makes it so much better.
Friends.
It's so
One's plenty.
it's so good. But yeah. I mean, you can use buttermilk on any of the chicken that I'm recommending, but it's really good on chicken tenders. And then you use your chicken fry or flour that you season with salt, pepper, what else? Like salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and then after you have your seasoned flour, you take the chicken tenders out of
Check out this life.
Out of the marinade.
Intelligence Unleashed. Check out this life planner.
And put it in the you flour it and then you put it in the grease and you wait until they're like dark golden brown. And then after that, you set them on the side, let the grease drain out. You got some chicken tenders. They should only take those chicken tenders should take like maybe 8 minutes each. Yeah, 8 minutes each for chicken tenders. I don't know. Those are just things I like making. If I'm doing chicken wings, I make them the same way, but I don't use the buttermilk. Although I should try it with buttermilk, but actually now she reminded me I gotta marinate some chicken tomorrow. So when I get home, I can actually have something to eat. But out of the other ones, the bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwich should be the easiest one. And you can toast the bread. It's so good. I mean, I can still eat it with turkey bacon. I like turkey bacon more anyway, so